Hello everyone again. Today we are going to make Joy's Berry Pavlova. Here are the ingredients you will need. Add 6 egg whites. Make sure no yolk gets in and the bowl is totally dry and clean. Once your eggs start to foam, add sugar a little at a time. Add half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 pinches of cream of tartar. Once thick peaks form, the mixture is ready. Transfer your mixture into a piping bag. Pipe the base of the center container. Now pipe 2 more circles. We are now going to pipe the outside decorations for the container. Bake at etc for 8 hours. If baked at higher temperature, the meringue will crack. Remove from oven and set aside to cool. Now, let's make the cream filling. Mix 270 ml of double cream, 1/3 cup of condensed milk, and 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Stack the 2 rings on the container base using a little cream. Also use cream to stick on the side decorations. Now add your flowers. Pipe a layer of cream inside. Add a layer of fruits. Next, add a layer of crushed meringue. Repeat those 3 layers again, i.e. a layer of cream, a layer of fruits, and a layer of crushed meringue. Add a final layer of cream and add your fruits on top. pavlova is now complete. Please subscribe, it's free, like and share. Thanks for watching, bye bye, see you in my next video.